Good morning, Mike here with Atlas Rim Repair. Going to be working on a BMW Z4 this morning. You can see the curb rash from here up to around here, and it's been repaired before. This isn't matching, and also over here, in here is not matching. So we're going to just scuff and paint these areas. We'll repair this curb rash first. I'm going to grind that damage out with the red conditioning disc. While I'm getting set up, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like and subscribe button. Maybe checking out the links in the description below to the tools and products I use to repair rims. I will start grinding on this in just a minute. So some of this is deep enough. I could have used the 60 grit disc first, but that just leaves you more cleanup with the red disc and the sanding. So take a little extra time and just do this with the red disc. Right, then we'll switch over to the sander with a 320 grit disc to get this reshaped and sanded smooth. Get it ready for paint. Alright, then I just need to take the 1500 grit scuff pad and go over everywhere I just sanded. And then these areas here that need to be repainted to match the finish that should be on here. This whole area over here, inside, between the spokes. Clean this up a little bit. Alright, then we're going with the Sonic Silver on this one. I believe all the paints I used, at least most of them, are linked in the description below now. They can be ordered online. finally, we'll just cover all that with a fresh coat of clear coat.